Now back up, have a look. Check this out. Laundry. You're kidding me. Okay, so thinking outside the box, we've located the laundry in the centre of the design. So using space where it's needed. So shelving, put a huge exhaust fan in there, so that keeps care of ventilation. Plenty of room for your front loaders. You've got your laundry trough, that's fine. But I love the location of it. It just means there's no compromise anywhere else. This is really innovative. Very clever. Okay, so laundry, very clever. Coming out to the back. Oh my God. You're kidding me. Oh my God, look. Massive void. I mean, I understand now why it's called the Manhattan Range, just studio stuff. But look, you've got to have a look this way as well. There's that mezzanine, so parent retreat upstairs. But before we get too excited, let's talk kitchen. Now, central kitchen, already awesome layout, okay? So massive island. And they've been clever here because they've taken the sink out of it and placed it over here. So this is our dining area. Have to be clever with space. Over here, full measure bench top, so there's plenty of prep work there. Overhead cupboards, love the open shelving. Running down into huge 900 cooktop and oven. And how nice is this matte finish of this panelling door. So this is the pantry. Fully shelved, of course. Very nice. But back this way is the Hollywood stuff. But hang on, more cabinet space. So, multifunctional area here. Check this out. You've got to have a wine cooler. Very nice. More shelving there and plenty of more cupboards. Got to have storage in these small lot designs. Turning around, so living area. What's going here? Okay, so straight into the living room. Love this. What I'm getting, sitting back here, central to the kitchen, and you haven't seen it yet, but there's a mezzanine floor for parent retreat. So I'm talking to people up there, I'm talking to people here. So it's quite central, quite engaging, and already I can see huge void. It's just unreal. We've got massive amount of glazing, and then obviously out through here would be our backyard where we'd have, you know, pool, al fresco and whatnot.